the kitty barn, Mama. I can stay there all day.
I know, Burley. I love the kitty barn too, but it's close to lunchtime. How about we go check out what's on the menu at the hotel?
I hope it's not chilly.
Yeah, me either. It's so hot today. Oh man, chilly.
And it's shower day.
I mean, that's good. But what if we went down to the Gosport Grill and we got some
Roll!
lobster rolls? That's such a good idea. Let's go. We gotta walk down to the pier.
Oh, hey, bud. Rounders again. Well, whatever. Here we are. You were on truck crew yesterday? And it wasn't a shower night. Did you even wash your hands? Whatever. Listen, we gotta get this lobster salad going because I see some conferees coming and they look hungry. So, first of all, I need you to finish the lobster rolls. This is how I break a tail. I just squish it like that. Crack it open. Meat. And this is how I like to get a claw out.
That's not nice, Emma.
Come on. There we are. All right, you get on that. I'm gonna finish chopping up this celery, all right?
What should we order, Burley?
3 lobster rolls, please.
All right, this is how we put them together. We've got our salad, our lobster here, some celery that I chopped up, some parsley that I chopped up, some mayo, some salt, and some pepper. The amount of celery was like 1 stick per lobster, about that. And this, I'm just gonna kind of eyeball. Maybe a little more than that. Might not use all this. This looks like it might be a little too much. Maybe a little more. Let me give it a little taste. That's pretty good. All right. We got our little boats ready here. We got our rolls hot off the grill. And we just huck some in there. Make sure to put a claw on top that really
Is
gets the
that
conferees
mine?
going. It's coming, bud.
Mine is
Not yet, bud. I'll give it to you in a sec. Let's get a little more on there. We gotta load some chips in. All right, bud, that's the lobster roll. Let's give them to the custies.
Come on, Burley. Our lobster rolls are done.
We can get them now.
Yeah, there's one for me, one for Emmer, and one for you. This one looks like yours. How is Emmer going to carry his lobster roll?
Doesn't have a lobster. Doesn't need a lobster.
Oh, he's just a baby. Well, I guess I have two then. Burley, let's head up to the front porch and we'll eat him up there on the rocking chairs. Can't wait. I've been waiting all summer for this bite. Fire drill.